Hello, Yevgeny. My name is Steven. I am Ryan USA on eBay. I am also Ryan Labs. I do PCB repair, and sometimes a customer of mine will give me a computer and they say, we need you to recycle this for us. Destroy the hard drive, motherboard, but any of the accessories you can dispose of as you wish. So I will usually boot the computer up, make sure the accessories work, and I pull them. Those are considered pulls. You purchased a stick of 256 megabyte PC133 that was a pull. We sent that out to you. You opened up a return that it was damaged mechanically. This is the item right here. It did have some heatsink compound on it. I believe that's what it was, but that should not have affected it working or its performance. But if you're saying there's mechanical damage, I am going to say, okay, I accepted your return, and I provided a prepaid return label, so it costs you nothing to return it. I went through my drawer of RAM and I found another stick of PC133. It is in the microscope there, and I googled the specs of it, and it is a CLA latency 2 non-ECC. A little bit better, I guess, than the one you received. So if you approve this stick of RAM, this is the one you will be receiving. I will go through it just as we do when we pull them. We use a microscope and we do a quick look over it. They are $4 sticks, $5, sometimes $10 sticks of RAM, so we don't spend a lot of time on them. So we might have missed something, and if we missed something, I'm sorry. We'll make it whole, we'll make it right. Like I said, it's going to cost you nothing. You're going to get a full refund plus the shipping you paid to you initially. And we're going to pay to have, if you approve this stick of RAM, to have this stick of RAM sent to you. So we own up to our mistakes if we make a mistake. Let me ground myself before touching RAM. I always ground myself before touching RAM. And I will test my ground. Okay. I am grounded. Okay. This is the stick of RAM that you will be getting. We zoom in so we can see it clearly on the pins. There we go. And we just do a quick look here. This is a little slower than we normally go. Actually, a lot slower. We will look at the pins, top, bottom. We can't look under the sticker. If we remove the sticker, it becomes a piece of scrap. So we will flip that over. We will look right here. And you have to remember this is 26-year-old RAM too, so they're never going to be pretty shiny like new. So, but that's what we do. If you approve this stick of RAM, I will get this out to you ASAP. Just be sure to send that other one back. I want to learn how we made a mistake and how we can better serve our customers. So I would like to thank you again for your order, and it was not our intention to send you a broken or bad item. We try our best to keep our customers happy. Thank you very much. Let me unground myself, get over to the computer.